Hello, and welcome to SmartAdmin WebApp. My name is Sunny. I'm the main author of this template. Today, we'll be covering the basics of the Gulp command that comes with SmartAdmin, which allows you to generate the compiled version of the CSS, JS files, and the HTML files. So firstly, we will need to go to nodejs.org and download the latest version. In today's demo, I'll be featuring the entire build process in a Mac, but on Windows machine, it'll be very similar structure. So we'll go ahead and download the latest version. I've already installed it, so I'll skip this step. It's pretty basic, it's straightforward. And once you have done that, you'll go ahead and download the latest version of SmartAdmin. Currently, the latest version on Wrap Bootstrap is 4.0. Once that is downloaded, you'll open and you'll see a folder called SmartAdmin HTML Demo, which is also the full version of SmartAdmin. Inside, you'll see a build folder and a source folder. You should also see a dist folder, but that is automatically generated, and that's the process I'm going to show you today. So on a Mac, we will use the regular terminal, and on a Windows machine, you would want to open your Node.js terminal. Once that is open, you'd want to cd in to your HTML demo folder, and we will now install the Gulp CLI command. So on a Mac, you would want to type in sudo, and you don't need this on Windows machine. On a Windows machine, you would generally just type npm I g for global Gulp CLI. If I do this on a Mac, I will get an error based on permissions. So I will need to include sudo, and now this should work fine. So now you can see that Gulp version 2.2 is installed. Clear the screen. And now we will begin to install the Node modules packages. So when I type in npm I or npm install, this will now begin to download all the packages that was mentioned inside package.json folder, so package.json file. Now, depending on your internet connection, this could take a few minutes to several minutes. Once all the packages are downloaded, you will see a Node modules directory, and inside you'll see all the packages that are downloaded. If you do happen to see any vulnerabilities, you can choose to ignore them. Personally, these do not affect the build file or the generated JS CSS scripts. By upgrading to the latest version of jQuery, these issues will go away. Because SmartAdmin supports IE 10, there are some issues with the latest version of jQuery. So once that is Node modules are downloaded, we will go ahead and build the application. So we'll type in the command gulp build. Now you can see that dist directory is now generated, which will contain all your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. It also built a server in the back end. This is your demo server, which you can use to see your application being run. So we'll copy that. And you can see here that your SmartAdmin is now built and it's running. Now, if we want to change the skin, for instance, what you do is you open your favorite text editor. We're going to be using Sublime. And in the background, it's watching for file changes. So anytime we change any of the JS, HBS, or SCSS scripts, it'll automatically recompile and display the entire project. To change the skin, you will go to SCSS, source, SCSS, and you will open up the modules and open up variable SCSS file. The first 5 values here is all you need to entirely change your skin application. We have some suggestions on our demo page. So if you open up skin options, you'll see here we have some color variables that you could try. So we'll copy those colors. So we'll change the primary. Success. Info. Warning. And danger. We'll save. And you can see here that it's automatically built another bundle. If you refresh your page, you'll see a change of the colors.